This is me laying out my tile in my master bathroom. And in this video, I'll show you how to cut a perfect hole in the tile for the toilet. First, make a template with a piece of paper by tracing the toilet flange and cutting it out. Next, lay one of your tile pieces in place and trace the toilet hole on it using the template that you just made. Then, remove that tile and do the same thing on the other tile.
So these types of cuts are really easy because they're so close to the edge to where you just carefully, I like to go around like this and then, do my cuts. So here we go.
Essentially, what you're doing is drawing a mouth and then knocking the teeth out. Then give it another pass from the bottom and it gives you a nice smoother edge.
And just like that, you get a nice clean edge. All right, let's do the next one. So this one is going to be a little bit trickier because the edge is like this. I have like a sharp edge. So again, I want to do an outline and then kind of just go at different angles and take it piece by piece and see how that goes. Let's go. So what I'm doing right now is I'm basically cutting, trying to penetrate the tile without damaging my edge. That way I can just break it through and still keep the same shape. As you can see, I have little pockets already in here that I cut through. So now the best thing to do is flip it over and you can see where my cuts are. See, I didn't penetrate through here. So let me do that again. So since you can see my penetrations here, I'm gonna try to connect them, and they don't have to be perfect on the back side, just don't go all the way through. Usually it just drops right through. You can see it's not too bad, and I don't have to do a lot of cleanup, but I still want to get closer to the edge, and just trim off some of the inside. So let's see how it goes. Look at that, perfect fit. This one looks good too. Check out this video right here.